Coffee is one of the world's most popular beverages. Coffee lovers around the world who reach for their favorite morning brew probably aren't thinking about its health benefits or risks. And yet this beverage has been subject to a long history of debate. Studies show that coffee drinkers have a much lower risk of several serious diseases. Here are the top health benefits of coffee. Number 1, can help you burn fat. Caffeine is found in almost every commercial fat-burning supplement, and for good reason. It's one of the few natural substances proven to aid fat burning. Several studies show that caffeine can boost your metabolic rate by 3 to 11%. Other studies indicate that caffeine can specifically increase fat burning by as much as 10% in obese individuals and 29% in lean people. However, it's possible that these effects diminish in long-term coffee drinkers. Number 2, contains essential nutrients. Many of the nutrients in coffee beans make their way into the finished brewed coffee. A single cup of coffee contains vitamin B2, vitamin B5, manganese and potassium, and vitamin B3. Though this may not seem like a big deal, most people enjoy several cups per day, allowing these amounts to quickly add up. Number 3, may lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a major health problem, currently affecting millions of people worldwide. It's characterized by elevated blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or a reduced ability to secrete insulin. For some reason, coffee drinkers have a significantly reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Studies observe that people who drink the most coffee have a 23 to 50% lower risk of getting this disease. One study showed a reduction as high as 67%. Number 4, may protect you from Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common neurodegenerative disease and the leading cause of dementia worldwide. This condition usually affects people over 65, and there is no known cure. However, there are several things you can do to prevent the disease from occurring in the first place. This includes the usual suspects like eating healthy and exercising, but drinking coffee may be incredibly effective as well. Several studies show that coffee drinkers have up to a 65% lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. In fact, in numerous studies conducted throughout the world, consuming 4 or 5 8-ounce cups of coffee, or about 400 milligrams of caffeine, a day has been associated with reduced death rates. In a study of more than 200,000 participants followed for up to 30 years, those who drank 3 to 5 cups of coffee a day, with or without caffeine, were 15% less likely to die early from all causes than were people who shunned coffee. However, some individuals may not tolerate higher amounts of caffeine due to symptoms of jitteriness, anxiety, and insomnia. Specifically, those who have difficulty controlling their blood pressure may want to moderate their coffee intake. Pregnant women are also advised to aim for less than 200 milligrams of caffeine daily, the amount in 2 cups of coffee, because caffeine passes through the placenta into the fetus and has been associated with pregnancy loss and low birth weight. Number 5, can improve energy levels. Coffee can help people feel less tired and increase energy levels. That's because it contains a stimulant called caffeine, the most commonly consumed psychoactive substance in the world. After you drink coffee, the caffeine is absorbed into your bloodstream. From there, it travels to your brain. In the brain, caffeine blocks the inhibitory neurotransmitter adenosine. When this happens, the amount of other neurotransmitters like norepinephrine and dopamine increases, leading to enhanced firing of neurons. Many controlled studies in humans show that coffee improves various aspects of brain function, including memory, mood, vigilance, energy levels, reaction times, and general mental function.